Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial by Perfect Web Solutions. My name is Imran Qasim and today I'm going to share with you a small PHP script again here. So in this particular script what we will do, we will just work on date format and we'll display the date like this. Today is 10th of June 2017. By default, the main purpose of this video tutorial is to display the TH above the 10. Basically by default, if you see this today's date, it will display TH in front of 10, but we want to format it so it will look like this one. Let's get started. I have opened my favorite text editor, Sublime Text, and set up a default structure of HTML, and in body I will just create a function gDate, and this function will accept a format for the date and it will return that the date in that format, comma, time. So it will return the current date time in that format. So to call this function we need to use printf. We can use echo as well, but echo is a bit more complicated when writing too many dots, whereas printf is much easier than that. So we just put printf, and then in here we put a strong tag, right, and write today is %s. Then we will put subtag is subscript and subtag is subscript. There are two types of scripts available. One is sub and one is sub, like this. This is subscript and this is subscript, which will display the th above. So here we write %s, so this become 10th of June or whatever month currently, whatever it is, and then a year. So today is like 10th of June 2017, it will display. So as I have put %sign s 1, 2, 3 and 4 times, so I will put here gDate, call the function, and then put here format, which first format I need d, the day. So I will put here just d, then comma gDate. Then I need th. So for th we need capital S, then gDate, and here we need the month name, so we will put F, capital F, and then gDate, and we will put here capital Y to display the year. Save this, go to your new tab here, localhost php/datetime.php, open it, and you will see the today is 10th of June, and if you see this font is a bit italic. If I can show you, you see, but in this it is not italic. I just want to show you the difference, that this one is currently live, like whatever I have written here, it is like this. So I can more show you, like if I can use em here, and then I will reload it, and you will see this, all the structure, how it is displaying. So em, strong, bold, whatever we can use like this, and we can use em here, and then we do it. So this time it will be shown a bit italic. So I'm sure you like this small script and small tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till end. Take care and bye.